Welcome back, Crammers, to question 2. 3 into 2 minus 4x is equal to 5 minus 8x. Show clear algebraic working to find out what x is. Now, when multiplying polynomials, we multiply to everything inside the bracket. First off, we have 3 times 2, which is 6. 3 times negative 4x is negative 12x. Now we write equals to 5 minus 8x. Now, we can bring all the like terms to one side. We can bring 12x here and 5 here. So we have 5 minus, and this is equal to 12x minus 8x. So 6 minus 5 is 1. This is equal to 6x minus 8x, which is 4x. We divide both sides by 4. This cancels out, and x is equal to 1 divided by 4, or 1/4. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.